In this video, we're gonna look at RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm is an algorithm which is used for encryption and decryption of messages. It is an asymmetric cryptographic algorithm. Asymmetric means that it works on two different keys, that is public key and private key. Public key is given to everyone and private key is kept private. The algorithm is based on the fact that finding the factor of a large composite number is difficult when the integers are prime numbers. The problem is called prime factorization. It is also a key pair public and private key generator. Now we are going to see RSA algorithm key generation. It involves mainly 5 steps. Step 1. Choose two prime numbers P and Q. Step 2. Calculate n. N is calculated by product of P and Q. Step 3. Compute phi n. Phi n can be calculated by the product of P-1 and Q-1. Step 4. Choose an integer e, that is public key. E must be greater than 1 and less than phi n, such that GCD of e and phi n must be equal to 1. Step 5. Compute value of d, that is private key. D can be calculated by inverse of e and mod phi n. Let's see an example. Take p equal to 3 and q equals to 11. Now we have to calculate n. We have formula for n. Now substitute the value for p and q. It gives n equals to 33. Now it's time to calculate phi n. We also have a formula for phi n. Substitute the value for p and q. It gives phi n equals to 20. Now we need to choose e in such a way that e should be co-prime. Co-prime means it should not multiply by factor of phi n and also not divisible by phi n. Factor of phi n are 5, 4. Break down 4, it gives 2. So e should not multiply by 5 and 2 and should not divided by 20. So prime numbers are 3, 7, 11, 17, 19. As 3 and 11 are taken, choose e equals to 7. Now it's time to calculate value of d. We have formula for d. Here substitute the value of e and phi n. Here d equal to 7 inverse mod 20. It gives d equal to 3. I think you are in confusion how d equals to 3 result is obtained. So look at hint. 7 multiplied by x mod 20 equals to 1. Here what is x? X is the output value of d. X must be taken in such a way that this expression must be true. For the encryption of message, let m equals to 5. C equals to m to the power e more n. Substitute the value of all the variables. Now C equals to 14 is obtained. Now let's do decryption. Here m equals to c to the power d mod n. Substitute the value of all the variables. Here m is equals to 5 is obtained. This shows that encryption and decryption of message is performed correctly using RSA algorithm. Now it's time to see a program in Turbo C. With this, encryption and decryption of message is operated using RSA algorithm.